This is an online circuit creation program from DigiKey. DigiKey is a major vendor for all sorts of electronic stuff. I get some of the stuff for class here. And this is a program they have called Schematic, which we can use for free. So what we want to do is to turn off the grid first, then we can come down here on the left. Let's see, to schematic symbols, I think it is. So we'll click there. And then we want to put a battery in there, and that's under sources. So it's a source of electrical energy or potential. And so we'll click there. Now we've got all sorts of stuff here. We want to move over to the second page and grab the voltage source here, this battery, just drag it out like that. Now we want to put in some resistors. So those are under passives. So they're devices that unlike transistors, say, they sort of just sit there and do their job, and they're called passives. So we'll click resistor here, and we have our general resistor here. So the first one you pull out will be R1. Let's pull out two more for this example. And let's say that I want to, I don't know, R2. I want it to be horizontal, so I'm going to, let's see, rotate there. And then I can just drag these roughly where I want them to be, like so. And then I can start to fill in the wire. So we'll come over here, and it kind of picks out or moves to where the next item is automatically. And then this one will go there, this one to here, and over to here, and finally from here to here. And now we've got a nice circuit that looks nice, official. So we're going to grab it, and we're going to take it, and we're going to put it into a new Google slide, and it's going to be a blank one. Control V will paste it right in there, and here's where we can start to put in some values. For example, we can use a text box here. We can put in something like I don't know, 220 ohms, something like that, and we can generally just make it look a little more official and put in some details that are not so easy to put in using the Schematic program. You can also put in, let's see, which one is it? Polyline, there we go. So we'll come up there, and then to here, and over to there, and whoops, polyline. Let's do that again. Click there, there, and there. Double click, and we can grab it, and on one end we can put an arrow, and you can put in the current like this. This will be I, and that's by default an Arial font. That's not so good for equations. So we can grab it here and change it to Times New Roman or Courier New. Bold that one up, that tends to be light. Probably Times New Roman would be the one to have. So there you go. That's how you create a circuit that looks official